So now that we've got our headphones, how do we hang them? Well, I printed this very neat little hand with my 3D printer, and we're gonna see if we can hold these on here. So this is the Mixcder active noise cancelling wireless headphones, model E9. The headphone is capable of making and answering phone calls from your cell phone. This is Bluetooth version 4.0. The distance is about 33 feet outdoor and 49 feet indoor. The special thing about these headphones is that their noise is greatly reduced, especially on an airplane, bus, or a train. Around 30-hour playtime, 40mm large aperture driver, wireless wired connection, adjustable and foldable design, and we got a carrying case. Standby on these headphones is about 2,500 hours, which is pretty crazy. There's a built-in 500 milliamp rechargeable lithium battery that takes about 2 to 3 hours to charge, and it supposedly gives you about 30 hours of playtime. So we've got a very nifty airplane adapter, which is very convenient, and you can take this for earbuds as well. The 3.5mm audio cable, which connects to the side of the headphone, and computer, laptop, or airplane adapter. We have about a 3-foot micro USB. We've got a thank you. We've got a user's manual. So there's a nifty little strap to make sure that these don't fall. Let's take these out. Is this one Velcro? No, these are just sort of in there. It's a very minimal, narrow fit. It's matte up top and pretty much throughout, outside of the edges of the earphone, which is pure gloss black. So actually that's quite nice. This is a foldable design, so they do fold. The swivels on here are pretty good. I would say I'm actually applying a little force here, so seems to be pretty good. Did it break? No, it didn't break. Okay. About 90 degrees out. Now the interior is some sort of a vinyl pleather. It's very cushy on your ears. The cushioning here is actually quite nice. It's the same material that's right here on the ear. Very thick plastic right here. The inside here is a little foam part, so I can definitely feel the speaker here. Now let's look at the features here. The buttons are relatively big, which I like. Here's your volume, marked very prominently with a plus and a minus. Your charging port is right there. You have your reset, I believe, or a microphone pinhole, and then right underneath here is your power. And on here you have your noise cancellation, which is simply a switch. And right underneath you have your connector for your audio cable, like so, which is nice because it's kind of non-obstructing. You can sort of tuck this in and it won't sort of be in your way. As far as head sizes, you can see there's a 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Let's try a stretch test. So I don't know who's got a head this big, but clearly it works. If you are using the headphones and you receive a phone call, you can answer it by tapping the power button once. When you're finished with the call, tap it again to end the call, or simply press end on your cell phone and the music will turn and resume. You won't be able to answer the phone calls if you're directly plugged into the machine with the audio cable. If your phone is paired and you're watching YouTube, For example, you can control the phone's interface with your headphones. Play, pause, skip next track, skip to previous track, answer a call, end the call. Turn the noise cancelling on, which will eat up a little more battery. You push the A and C switch to on, the blue light will come on. To turn it off, switch it to off, and the blue light will turn off. These headphones have a hearing protection built right into them, so as you're increasing your volume, once you reach the maximum volume level, you will get an alert tone notifying you that's the maximum level. To turn the headphones off, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds and you will hear power off inside your headphones. The speaker diameter is 40 millimeter with an impedance of 32 ohms and an SPL of 94 decibels. These are the speaker specs. So it takes about 3 to 4 hours for the first charge, and the headphone LED will turn solid red during charging. When the battery is fully charged, the LED will turn off. You can also use the wireless function during charging, but it's going to extend the charging time. When the battery is low, the LED will blink red, and the headphones will also provide a low battery warning. So press and hold the power button on your headphone until it powers, but don't let it go. Continue holding down on the power button until you see the LED indicator flashing blue and red alternately. This will put the phone in pairing mode. From the list of Bluetooth devices, select Mixcder E9. Once the headphones are paired, the LED is going to turn solid blue and you'll hear a prompt inside the headphones. Now, by default, once you're connected to your cell phone or any other device, when the headphones are turned on, it's going to automatically sync with your device, although on some machines it may be needed to be manually paired every time. The noise cancelling function works for noise in the low frequency band primarily. Although the noise is reduced, it's not cancelled out completely. When you use the headphones in a train or a car, there will be some noise depending on the street condition. So now that we've got our headphones, how do we hang them? Well, I printed this very neat little hand with my 3D printer, and we're gonna see if we can hold these on here. This isn't cleaned up yet, but this is basically what we're trying to do. So this is the Mixcder active noise cancelling wireless headphones model E9.